PCG-VCG bilateral meeting held on October 7 at a hotel in Cebu City. Both sides reaffirmed their commitment to the Memorandum of Understanding on Maritime Cooperation signed in January of 2024, focusing on maritime safety, security, environmental protection, and capacity building. The first meeting was held in Hanoi, Vietnam in April 2024, and this year's gathering continued that dialogue, conducted alternately between the two Coast Guards. Beyond diplomacy, the Vietnam Coast Guard also extended humanitarian assistance to victims of the 6.9 magnitude earthquake that struck northern Cebu, particularly in Tabogon. On October 8, they turned over 32 sacks of rice and 10 boxes of noodles to the Philippine Coast Guard in Cebu, provisions originally carried on board for their voyage. They also assisted PCG personnel in providing medical aid to affected communities. On Friday, October 10, as their visit comes to a close, the Philippine Coast Guard held a send-off ceremony for the Vietnam Coast Guard. Shortly after, both the Philippine and Vietnam Coast Guards held joint maritime exercises off the coast of Karkar, Cebu. The drills focused on search and rescue operations, firefighting, and oil spill response, underscoring the
considering the bata, inanglan pag-visit sila constant reminder sa mga mama. And the other thing is, ang yan sports facility, pag-ato na mo, inom siya, mayor, pagbaan na taon may basketball, mayor, pag-awa taon may TV, ya ugma, mayor, akong birthday, pag-awa akong mama. So, there's so many concerns, I think it could be corrected. So, one, i-review ang atong security system. The other one, palibuno na to ang atong areas where asa sila makaagi. The other thing is, ang atong tubig. Ang tubig, kay bawbig mo, ang tubig nato ito, gamay na din kayo because hakdan man nato kayo man sila supply yun sa tubig. Kaya ilang kasinyas, considering na ang atong SPP, tinulong siguro mo, ang atong SPP na ay problema because ang SPP nato, wala pa gina maayo. So ang atong mga preso, including them, there are about 7,000 of them, including 100 plus of them, ways padulong sa usa ka lugar na ako wa trip. So mo na nagtrabaho naman na dito karon ang ako na during my time pagsugod ako sa push na mapadayon kaya mahuman sa na pa by December.